Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm representing Tactical Game Innovations here. And I am a sales manager, international department sales manager. So I would like to talk about our products. Tactical Game Innovation is a inventor of a very new, I would say, level up production for airsoft, paintball, and trainings. Um, in a connection with a grenade launchers. Okay. First of all, I would like to show you the material that our projectiles and hand grenades made of. It's a polyurethane. It's a foam. It's very lightweighted, and when you're shooting this projectile, the energy of it is equals to paintball hit. It's something like maximum 12 joule. If we're talking about the markets like France and Germany, we are producing a special shells that this is a shell that we are sending to those countries, and it's not over 7 joule hit. Okay, it's an energy. Okay, let's start from the hand grenades. The R2B series grenades counts 4 different grenades. Let's start from the paintball one. It's a yellow labeled R2B. Contains 80 0.50 caliber paintballs inside. Every paintball is sitting in a trench inside of the grenade, so it's providing a very good spread and accurate fragmentation. The second kind is R2BS. It's an airsoft. It's 200 BBs is sitting inside of this small beast, and just can be spread by throwing it toward the enemy. R2BM powder grenade. It's a grenade that should be used in the places you don't want to mess a environment with paint, or you afraid to break something with a BBs. The very new product. It's will be in serial production end of this month. It's R2B Tactical Smoke. This is a tactical smoke and not small screen. But what new? We have a lot of smokes on the market, but something new that this is a very first smoke grenade that's equipped by pin and working spoon. So we believe it will be a successful product on the market. This is a non-pyrotechnical paladin. Paladin is a inert projectile that is just a powder projectile without a pyrotechnical charge. So you can see our previous video to understand how it's working. This is an Archangel. It's a pyrotechnical impact projectile. It's going off in a moment it's hitting a object. This is a redesigned Reaper round. We're going to start producing it in something like 2 months. It's the same Reaper, we just changed the form factor. It's also a new product. We're calling it Velum. It is a smoke projectile. Now you can shoot your smoke round up to 100 meter, and to point next to mark a waypoint. If you're shooting one Velum, you can mark your waypoint for your forces. If you're shooting 3 or more, you just deploying a smoke screen. For those who are familiar with our product, this is our previous launching device. It's the shell. You could use it with green gas, power gas, or CO2. But just exactly like any of airsoft products, this is a problem to use it on a negative temperatures. So we invented a new one that's being filled by CO2 gas, but it's not more powerful with this one, but you can use it in up to minus 20 degrees by Celsius. It's also not molded, it's CNC one. It's made of aviation plastic, and it's very durable, much more durable than the molded product. Another new product is a product for D-Boy's VOG, a grenade launcher shell. Okay, this is the same shell that we have for the regular Med Bull-like grenade launcher, but it has another bottom part. Now is the most important prototype that we have here now, and we're still working on it, but it will be available pretty soon. It's our own grenade launcher for our projectiles. You no longer need a shell to shoot it. You're just inserting the projectile inside and shooting it. This is our own patented gassing system. How it works? First of all, we have a degas. If there is the rest of the pressure stays inside the chamber, you may just degas the system, but we have a anti-idiot protection system. This is a two-stage cup. The first stage is opened and degassing if you forgot to degas it with the button. To avoid this plug to just make a new hole in your roof. And with the second twist, you're just opening it, throwing an old CO2 cartridge, putting a new one, closing, bringing the chamber back, and it's penetrating the tank during the down movement. So now the chamber is under the pressure. Also, we have a aiming device. We're going to put here the actual distances. There is no distance right now because it's prototype. And you will see here 110 meters. It's what you can throw, more or less, with CO2 tank. It's the CO2 tank is an ask for 10 to 12 shots, depends on the air pressure and humidity. Okay, we are saying 10 shots. Okay, so you may increase your loadout by taking 20 projectiles and only 2 CO2 cartridges, and you're all set. Okay, so this is a filling station for the VOG and CO2 cartridge. It's good for filling a VOG because the inlet valve sitting pretty deep, so you can freely fill it by CO2 gas. Okay, it's very new, so it will look a bit different. It will be anodized. We're calling it Fist. It's like filling station, and it's gonna be a good helper for filling of your shells, maybe even pistols.